Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. So guys, this is a continuation of my previous vlog. In case you've not seen that, please do check it out so that you can understand better what is going on here. So guys, this is me just enjoying my ice cream. So you don't count calories when you're on holiday. Do you agree, guys? After the ice cream break, we are still going back to continue our work and our shopping. Meanwhile guys, this mall is super huge. This mall is big, and almost all the shop we have in France is inside here. Okay, it's just a few like Primark that they don't have, but the other shop are just here. This mall is so huge. So guys, let me leave you guys to enjoy more of the video, because after the mall we are still going out, we are still going somewhere else. So stay tuned fam, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy watching. Meanwhile, if you're just coming across this channel for the first time, please do wait to subscribe and turn on your notification button so you don't get to miss any of our upload. It's not for rain. This is cute, guys. This is a car with shoes in the shop. Okay, let me see. You're in a discotheque, huh? Yes? No, you cannot see it.
But why?
Okay, now try. Okay, then I bus city.
Try with the
Now is how we enter go.
Then
The other side.
come like this.
Okay.
The other one is go like that.
Hey, yeah.
And the other stop on for content.
This up, so now we did. Okay.
Now this is us. Now we have the
Now we now we dey pass the concerts. Wow.
Now come.
So sad. Because I saw you say they waka when you small, that's why. Now I saw you say they waka when you there since I age mate. When you there since I age, that's why I saw you say they waka.
We've lost track of time, don't know how to feel, but I'm not sorry. I'm lost in your eyes, are you even real? But don't you worry, I'm not looking for the one. No, I just wanna have some fun. So let's get drunk tonight, 'cause fuck how we feel. But for now, I won't give it all away, 'cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't be the only one who doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna feel. Doesn't wanna fall in love. May not see eye to eye, but we can be chill for just this moment. So turn out the lights and let's make a deal to just enjoy it. I'm not thinking about forever. I won't care if we don't end up together. Let's get high tonight, 'cause fuck how we feel, yeah. But for now, another fish in jail. C'est interdit. On va another
Ah, na na na. Ah, na na na. Ada, ah, na na, ah, na na, ah, na na na. Ah, na na na. Ah, na na. So guys, we are in the park now. I was scared. The time wanted to go inside the water. No, don't go and fall inside, please. I don't like. No, I don't like this like that. No, don't climb, please. Don't climb.
But why, Mom?
Because you will fall inside. Let's take a picture. Yeah, this place is so cute. Just take a look at this place, guys. It's so cute. So cute. Nata, you want to take a picture there? It's beautiful.
That's
Nata, go and take a picture. Go and snap.
First, let me use your phone.
Oh, this park is so huge and so beautiful. For me, oh, this is so cute. Look at what Nathan gave me. This is so cute. Nathan the flower. Wow, so cute, Nene. Look at this one. Ma, give me my phone. Let me snap your brother.
Wait.
Hello guys, welcome back. Yeah, I think my voice is a little bit clear now because I've been avoiding to talk in my vlog because like I said before, I have cough, guys, and my voice, you guys can hardly hear me. So we are in a big garden, like a very huge garden in Grenoble. Yeah, this place is called Alocan, I think so. Yeah, it's a very big garden. So we have been taking a walk inside the garden since, and we have been having the best time of our life. Just take a look at Nene. Yeah, I'm with Neta, I'm with the cousins. So yeah, it's a very huge garden. Yeah, it's a park. Yeah, it's a park. Eh? I want to know we can carry you on. So you see this girl, I came to visit her. I'm the one taking her around now. Hey, oh, hey, but you never, if me there, if I don't walk out her, me I go walk out everything I see what is inside. So you see, I'm the one that is even taking her around her own city. I'm the one that is even taking her around her own city. As a mom, you guys should give me a thumbs up for that. Like thumbs up. Around my city. You know my daughter. I came to visit her in her city, and I'm the one showing her around. You see, I'm the one showing her around. What, Mama? Yeah, it's for her. It's Parc. This place is very huge, guys. Just take a look. They can even make barbecue inside here. But there is somewhere that they can make barbecue there. I don't know if you guys can see it. And kids can just play football, yeah. It's very huge. It's a very huge park. It's very huge. Okay, now, yeah. Now, for everything do party for you now. Now, big place, eh?
A big place.
Now, very big place.
For you.
Exactly. Wow. See, look.
This place is big, eh?
Wow, very nice.
Now just how this lights to come the show.
Okay, as
All
in,
this light.
wow, as they very bright. Not you go fine, eh? Very fine. See this one, doesn't they look good for that side? Where you there?
That side of
For that place, see they that side. Even yes, who walk around and go that side? Yeah. No go see what they there. Sister, come.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. Let's